Coming to you from Sudlersville, Maryland, I'm at 550 Bolton Woods Road in Queen Anne's County, where we're showcasing a gorgeous new construction 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom rancher with an attached single-car garage that sits on just under 1 acre of peaceful land. We're in the back roads of Queen Anne's County, so if you're looking for modern day amenities, because everything is brand new, and low maintenance living with a little country charm, this is it. It doesn't get much simpler than having an 1,100 square foot home and nothing to worry about. We've got a traditional layout with open floor plan in the front, your living room, dining room combo, big beautiful kitchen. We've got 2 bedrooms in the hallway here that share a full bathroom. LVP floors throughout, everything's freshly painted. You've got a cute tin roof. You back to woodlands and farmlands for peaceful privacy, and nothing like sitting on a huge front porch for your morning coffee or evening sunsets. This here behind me, we're getting ready to go into the primary suite that has its own attached bathroom as well. So you've got the best of both worlds. Low maintenance living, country charm, and at a great price of just under $375,000. Don't hesitate on this new construction. Stop by and see us this weekend or check out our full virtual tour. We're at 550 Bolton Woods Road in Sudlersville, Maryland.